So, madali naman talaga to. Hindi naman pare kulong ka eh.
Yes, attorney, what is your next legal step if ever ayaw talaga niya magpakita? I mean, you've already exhausted your the way you've given her advice na lumabas, pero ano po yung next step if sakaling wala talaga?
Well, kasi hindi ko rin siya ma-blame kasi nga yung emotional trauma niya tsaka yung fear niya, di ba? Anxiety niya. Hindi ako yung nasa pwesto niya eh. Pero at any rate, nasa Supreme Court kami. Because we're not questioning the effectiveness, reasonableness kung kailangan pa ba siya sa Senate. Alam mo, meron tayong constitutional guarantee against right against self-incrimination. No person can be compelled to testify against himself or herself. Sa kaso ni Mayor Ali, sa dami ng mga nakaso niya, criminal, civil, etc. cases, AMLA, na pending against her, any question